Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video we will discuss in detail the tools that are available in the Annotate and the introduction to the different tabs in the main menu and some of the tools that are available in the different tabs in the main menu. So the AutoCAD is a very comprehensive software and it can be used by the persons from any field, like from the civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, economics engineering, mining engineering, agriculture engineering, and these are the electronics engineering and so many others disciplines using the AutoCAD for their own purposes. For civil engineers, they normally design the roads, bridges, buildings, and dams, etc. In case of the electrical engineering, the electrical engineers design the circuits and different vehicles, designing its analysis architecturally. They are done in the AutoCAD and prepare the plans for the various circuits and roads. And mechanical engineers normally design the bolts, the screws, and the machines, different parts of the machines in the AutoCAD. So in the AutoCAD you can draw any shape or any object in their own scales. Means you can draw any shape of the scales of 1:1. So this is the power of the AutoCAD. So we will discuss only the most important tools to draw any object or any structure. So let's start the different tools that are available in the Annotate. These are the different tools which are associated with the Home tab. So these tools we have discussed in the previous video. So now we proceed to the next tab, which is Insert tab. So this is the Insert tab and these are the different tools. On this ribbon, these are the different tools which are associated with the Insert tab. So here the first one is the block. The tool is associated with the block. So you can insert blocks in the drop down menu. You can insert the recent blocks, favorite blocks, blocks from libraries. So you can insert any block that you have already prepared. They are already in the system, and you can also edit the attributes. So these are the tools associated with the block category of tools in the Insert tab. The next one is the block definition. So these are the different tools which are associated with the block definition. So the first one is the create block, and in the drop down menu or in the drop down button. So create block, and the another one is the write block, and this is the define attribute. These are some other options available to set this type of tool. And this is the manage attribute. This is the block editor. So these are the different tools associated with the block definition. And the next one is the these are the tools which are categorized in the references. Here you can attach or clip or adjust. So these are the different tools. The another one is the underlay layers. The other one is the primary, and last one is the snap to underlay on. So these are the different tools associated with the references category of tools in the Annotate. The next one, which is the most important one, in which you can import a PDF or file or a PDF drawing or file you can import to the AutoCAD. So this is the most powerful and most efficient and visible tools available in the Annotate. The next one is the import, in which the first one is the import PDF. The next one is the recognize SHX text store. Another one is the recognition settings, and the next tool is the combined text. So these tools are associated with the import category of tools in Annotate. The next one is the tools associated with the data, which is the first one is the field, another one is the update field, and the another one is OAD object, and the another one is the hyperlink. So these you can play with the data by using these tools. The next category of tool is linking and extraction. So through these tools you can link or extract your desired file, drawing or object. So data link, so download from the source, and the one is upload to source, and the last one is the extract data. And the last category of tools that are available in the insert tab is the location. Here you can set the location of your drawing or of your object or which way you are working. So these are the different tools which are associated with the insert tab and can be used in different situations depending on the type of drawing, on the person who are working, depending on your specialty and depending on the work in which he is involved. So they can use these different tools for the sake of their requirement. So now we have to proceed to the next tab in the main menu, which is the Annotate. So in the Annotate, these are the different tools, and we have discussed some the annotation tools in the home tab, which was the text, dimension, and these are the dimension style, which is the line and the table. So in the Annotate tab, these are the different tools. First one is the multi-line text, and these are the different tools to play with the text. This is the standard. So here you can change the type of the text, and here you can check the spelling. Here you can align text. Here you can find the text, and here it is the annotation text height. You can change it, and this is the to justify the text. So these are the different tools associated with the text in the Annotate. The next is the different tool associated with the dimension category in the Annotate. The first one is the dimension. This is in the standard. Depending on the requirements, you can use the default or innovative or standard, and these are the different these are the colors for the layer. This is linear, this is the quick, this is the continue, and these are these tools to break, and this is the adjust space, and this is the dimension, and this is the another tool available in the dimension, which is called the inspect, and the another one is the update, and another one is the radius select. So these are the different tools associated with the dimension category on the Annotate. The next one is the center line tools category, in which the center line mark and another one is the center line. So you can use these tools in your drawing where it is required to apply these. And the next tool is associated with the leader category of tools. This is the multi-leader, this is the standard, here is the multi-leader, here the alignment, and this is the air leader. Here you have to collect some, and here you have to remove the leader. So these are the different tools associated with the leader. The next category of tool is the tables. So here you can play with the tables, and these are the sub options available in the tables tool. So you can add the table, you can extract data, you can link data, and here you can download from source, and here you can upload the source. So these are the different tools associated with the tables. The next category of tools in the Annotate is the markup. So this is the wipe out, this is the revision cloud. So these are different tools depending on the drawings and requirements. You can use these tools to explain, to draw your design drawing. And the last category of tools associated with the Annotate is the annotation scale. So here this is the add current scale, and here this is the scale list. Another one is the add or the delete scales, and this is the synchronize the scale position. So these are the different tools associated with the annotation scaling. So all these tools are associated with the Annotate, so you can use any of these tools as per your requirements. So the next step is the Parametric. So these are the different tools available in the Parametric tab, and so these are the different tools. So wherever in drawing we require, we can use these tools. The next step is the view. Here these are the different tools associated with the view of the object or whatever you are drawing in the workspace. So you can use any of them as per your requirements. The next category of tools detail is the manage. From here you can manage your work by using the different tools available in this manage tab. Another one is the output tab available in the main menu. Here you can use these tools to play with the output of the file or the objects that you have drawn in the drawing. Next one is the add ins. So you can use these tools, and the subtool in the add ins is the add managers. So you can use this manager as per your requirements in your drawing. Another tab is the collaborate. You can use these tools to play with the collaborate. So the first one is share line, share views, post to Autodesk documents, and the traces, electric, and the drawing compare. So you can use these drawings as per your requirements. These tools as per your requirements in drawing anything in this workspace. The next category of tools, which is the tab of express tools. So these are the different tools associated with the express tools. Depending on the requirements, you can use any of them as per the drawing specification and requirements. The next tab of the tools is the feature edge. So you can use this to play with the feature edge. So these are the different tabs, and which contains the different tools to be used to draw your desired line depending on the requirement. So in the next video, we will draw a plan of a building, and then we'll proceed with their drawing and we'll finally draw a complete building. So in the next videos will be a mini project by using these different tools in the AutoCAD to draw a complete building of 2-story. So please keep watching for understanding of the AutoCAD completely. And now, if you have any questions in this video, you can ask in the comment section, and please keep watching. So thank you for watching this video.